Okay, this is a Minolta camera that I have. Comes with this filter. So I'll put one side. Okay, so the front, the back, the top, and the bottom. The battery checker works. Let me see. Yeah, see, it works. So aperture priority mode. The meter only works on aperture priority mode. I'm not sure why, but this is how it's made. So gonna show you a glimpse in the viewfinder itself. I'll give you a manual focus mode. See? Yeah, I can see that the meter works. Gonna demonstrate to you the shutter. Before that, I remove this lens first. Okay. So before you change this shutter speed, you need to press this safety mode. So you can change. The meter doesn't work on manual modes. I'm not sure why, but that's how it's designed. So, yep. 500, okay. 250, okay. 125, okay. 160, okay. 30, okay. 15, okay. 108, okay. Quarter. Half second. 1 second. So yeah, bulb mode works as well. All shutter is fully functional. Yeah, just now I got a bit nervous because I put in batteries and it didn't work. Later after I fumbled a bit, I'm not sure why, and suddenly it works already. So I don't really like this kind of semi-electronic cameras because their circuit boards are kind of old already, so they tend to behave in a funny way from time to time. And yes, I'm gonna sell this as it is. I feel scared to give warranty also, but I think you can let me know lah. For my AV1 that I didn't use for a while, actually it died totally. I don't know why, but it happened. Maybe it's the oxidation of the thing or what. Okay. So this is the glass. I'll show you the glass. Yeah. Show the glass. Should probably dust that off a bit. I think I should wipe that. Let me wipe that out. Oh man, the liquid go inside, man. Okay, so this is the back after I wiped it. It's pretty clean now. You wipe more. Okay. Okay, so this is the glass itself. This is the glass from behind. And then let me open it up so you can look through it from behind. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a light test, shine test or what, to shine through so you can see if there's any organic growth or what, which I don't see anything. Okay. So as a control subject, I have this Yongnuo 50mm f1.8. I'm gonna show you the lens. So this is a new lens, so I assume that it's fine. That's why I'm showing you as a control unit. Yeah, so there you go. So that's for your comparison purpose. And yeah, I'm gonna sell this off, and any inquiries, please feel free to let me know. Thanks everyone.